Hi, my name is Kenneth and I'm a real estate agent for Baja 123. Welcome to Las Olas Grand. So Las Olas Grand sports 4 infinity pools. One of them you see here. It also has a waterfall feature, and up above is the other infinity pool. You can see the stairway here. They have all these little lush grottos full of lush greenery and bamboo accents. It's a really unique development. Here at Las Olas Grand, they don't really have a beach, so what they decided to do was to build an artificial beach. So you have this whole area here where you can enjoy as a beach. They have the volleyball courts, there's another little pool out there, and just little areas here that are really cool just to hang out in. Here at Las Olas Grand, you actually enter on the 6th floor, so the whole structure is built into the cliff. We're actually down underneath the road level right now. What would a Mexican resort be without a swim-up bar? It's one of the unique features of Las Olas Grand. There's no swim-up bars in all of Rosarito. This is the only one I know of. And as you can see, it's just gorgeous. The view here is absolutely amazing. I could spend every day of my life here. This area here sports 5 jacuzzis, all with private cabanas behind them. You can enjoy your day in the swim-up bar, come up here, have a jacuzzi, relax in the cabana, maybe watch your favorite sporting event. I mean, just really cool. You're gonna find all these little grotto areas out here. I really like them. You know, they're well lighted. It just gives you that kind of paradise atmosphere. You're gonna find their clubhouse area. It's an open area. They have the palapa bar. There's fire pits in the corner with a small splash pool in the oceanfront, and their world famous tennis court. There's 9 units that are 2 bedrooms and 1 3-bedroom unit. 195 units total in the building. Now the way they built it was with the back of the building to the wind, so that when you're in the amenities area, even on a windy day like today, you can relax down there and your hat's not blowing off and things aren't blowing away. So any day of the year pretty much, you can be down there when it's windy and you're fine. Another thing about this building is that it has a 13-floor parking structure. So if you're within the first 13 floors, you can actually park on your own floor, which is a unique feature of Las Olas Grand, and really nice. If you forget something, you don't need to get in the elevator, go down 15 floors, find your car, get back and go up. It's simply on your floor. So I think there's a real advantage to being on the first 13 floors here. So here's the restaurant Las Cristales. It's open 7 days a week. It's the Cocina Internacional. Come on in and check it out. Great wine selection, as you can see. Really just a beautiful setting. I mean, you're not really going to find too many restaurants like this. It's like you're on top of the water. You've got a great bar over there and beautiful granite. A really unique restaurant. Sundays they have brunch. It's great. I've had it. Come on in and try it. Welcome to the gym here at Las Olas Grand. Has an unmatched location. You've got every machine here that you're going to need to stay fit. Also features flat screen TVs, you have music over there, steam room. Come this way. This is really my favorite location here in Las Olas Grand. I can come in here and sweat and really think clearly. It's just absolutely beautiful. You're right on top of the ocean. Dolphins are literally swimming right up to me. You'll see whales out there. You'll see everything. And it's just an incredible spot to come and relax here in the sauna. What a spot, what a place.
We hope you enjoy our video on Las Olas Grand. And if you're planning on buying or selling real estate in the Rosarito Beach area, please give us a call.